Saintgits College of Engineering presents Home Magic 2020.
Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered if you could design a game like Super Mario without actually coding the game logic? Well, in this video, we will learn exactly how to do that by making a simple game with no coding at all. MIT Scratch is a free software provided by MIT.edu for non-programmers to help build games and other programs without learning a programming language. Scratch helps young people learn to think creatively, reason systematically, and work collaboratively, essential skills for life at 21st century. Google MIT Scratch. Select the website mit.edu. If you have an account on Scratch, log in with your credentials. Otherwise, click Join and create a new account. Choose a unique username and password, then click Next to proceed. Next, choose the country you currently reside in. Enter the month and the year you were born. Choose your gender, enter your email address, and then finally click on Create your account. You have successfully created a new account. Click Get Started to get redirected to the home page of MIT Scratch. Click Create on the top left corner of the screen. You will be navigated to a page where we will design our game. Delete the picture by clicking the remove icon on it. Let's add a backdrop to our scene of the game. Click the button on the bottom right that says Choose a backdrop. Find the jungle background and click on it to apply it as our background. To add a character to the scene, click the icon on the bottom right that says Choose a sprite. Then select Animals and choose the bat sprite. The bat is now a part of our game. Now let's start building our game logic. Click on Events on the left side of the menu and drag the first block to the middle plane. Then go to Looks and drag the first block to the screen and change the text to Let's Play a Game. Now go to the Variable section and create two variables, Score and Timer. Now drag the Set block and set Score as 0 and Timer as 10. Now go to the Look section and drag the Show block. Then from the same section, drag the Save block and change the text to I will hide. Click Me to add points to the score. Go to Controls on the left menu and drag the Repeat Until block to the plane. Navigate to the Operators section and drag the Equal to block to the Repeat Until block and change 50 to 0. Drag the Variable Timer block from the menu and put it into the Equal to block. Go to the Variable section and drag the Change Variable block into the loop. Specify the variable timer and change the number to -1. Add the Show block from the Looks section. From the Control, add the Wait block and change the value to 0.3. Navigate to the Motion section and add the Go to Random Position block. Add the Wait block again for 0.3 seconds. From the Looks section, add the Hide block. The repeat until block is finally complete. From the look section, add the next backdrop block. Also add the say block and change the text to game over. Let's add some sound effects to the game. Go to the events section and drag the when the sprite is clicked option as a new block on the plane. From the variable section, add the change block and choose the variable score. From the sound section, add the start sound block. The game is now complete and ready to be played. Click on the green flag to start the game. The aim of the game is to click the bat to score points. We have successfully built a game using no code at all. You can build a lot of other programs using this software, which makes it easier for people who don't know how to code to implement their ideas well. Hope you liked this tutorial and thank you so much for watching.